Global markets are navigating thin liquidity and renewed price pressure across equities and commodities. Here are the key financial developments shaping markets today. Japan's Nikkei slips in thin trading. Japan's Nikkei 225 fell roughly 1% today. The decline comes as much of Asia remains closed for the Lunar New Year holiday, reducing regional trading depth. A sharp drop in SoftBank shares added pressure to the index. With limited participation across the region, even individual stock moves are having a larger impact on benchmark indices. Gold and silver extend declines. Precious metals moved lower again today. Spot gold fell approximately 1 to 2%, pressurized by a firmer US dollar and light holiday trading volumes. Silver also declined, reflecting similar liquidity-driven weakness. These moves appear driven more by positioning and dollar strength than by a shift in long-term inflation expectations. Currency markets face thin depth. Foreign exchange markets tied to Asia are trading with reduced depth. Yuan-linked currency pairs are experiencing wider spreads as onshore Chinese market remain closed. However, major global currency pairs are broadly steady for now. US market reopens after a holiday. US markets are set to reopen following the President's Day holiday. With Wall Street returning, investors will watch for renewed price discovery after the long weekend. US participation often restores global liquidity conditions and can reset short-term market direction. Oil and broader commodities lack direction. Energy and base metals are trading with mixed signals. Without full Asian participation, commodity price trends remain muted and less reliable as directional indicators. Trading volumes are expected to normalize once Chinese market reopen later this week. What this means for markets? Today's moves reflect a clear theme. Markets are operating in a low liquidity environment, making them more sensitive to dollar movements, individual stock flows, position adjustments. There is no sign of systemic stress. Instead, price action reflects temporary holiday distortions and cautious positioning. As liquidity returns in the coming days, investors will watch whether current price move extend or reverse. For now, markets remain stable but thin. That's your global financial news update for February 17th, 2026.